How to do typewriter text effect in DaVinci Resolve. Go to the Effects panel and click on Titles. Drag and drop a text plus in timeline. Select the text, open up Inspector panel, enter the text, and change its properties to your liking. Now move the playhead to the start of the text. Click on the diamond button next to Write On and drag the end to 0, this will create the first keyframe. Move the playhead a little forward and drag the end handle all the way to the right to create the second keyframe. And now we have the typewriter effect, which also works fine if the text changes. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.